Hello friends. Grammar is very important for the knowledge of language. So we are studying various topics of grammar in our lectures. We have seen noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, and it's turn to learn preposition. So in this lecture we are going to learn about preposition. First of all, I would like to show you some examples. Here is the example. I give knowledge about life in course of my lecture. This is the sentence, and in this sentence I have underlined about and in course of. This is the word and this is the group of words. So I give knowledge about life. If we think this is the first part, I give knowledge about life. The life is a noun. Life, this is the word, and parts of speech of this word is noun. Means life is a noun. Then in course of my lecture, this my is form of pronoun, means pronoun. So we have studied the definition of preposition. या एक्झाम्पल्स वरनं तुम्हाला असं समजलं असेल की प्रिपोजिशन असे शब्द असतात किंवा शब्दांचे गट असतात की जे नाम किंवा सर्वनाम यांच्या अगोदर वापरले जातात. दॅट्स वाय द डेफिनेशन इज हिअर अ वर्ड or group of words. A word like this and group of words like this. A word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, position, etc. is called preposition. म्हणजे preposition हा एक शब्द असू शकतो about सारखा किंवा शब्दांचा गट असू शकतो जो नाम आणि सर्वनामाच्या अगोदर वापरला जातो. कशासाठी? टू शो प्लेस, ठिकाण दाखवण्यासाठी, टाइम दाखवण्यासाठी, पोझिशन दाखवण्यासाठी इत्यादी. इज कॉल्ड प्रिपोजिशन. त्याला प्रिपोजिशन म्हणायचं. ओके. सो प्रिपोजिशन्स आर वर्ड्स लाईक धिस: इन, ऑन, ऑफ, over, on, from, to, before, after, with, around, behind, for, by, into, through, across, along, beside, besides, and group of words like in front of, out of, according to, away from, for the sake of, in order to, in plus of, etc. अशा पद्धतीचे प्रिपोजिशन्स असतात. म्हणजे वर्ड्स म्हटलं तर असे असतात विच आर इन द रेड इंक, अँड ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स म्हटलं तर ब्लू इंकमध्ये आहेत तसे असतात. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू सी द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ इन, ऑफ, ओव्हर, ऑन. ओके. सो लेट्स सी द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस रो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय एम इन द क्लास. आय एम इन द क्लास. So preposition is in. In shows us place. Where am I? I am in the class. So preposition is in. He is fond of teaching. He is fond of teaching. In this sentence preposition is of. त्याच्या पुढे येणारा शब्द आहे teaching. This is the verbal noun. म्हणजे आपली जी डेफिनेशन आहे प्रिपोजिशनची ती अशी आहे: a word or group of words which is used before noun or pronoun. इथं noun आहे. This is the verbal noun. Okay. Third sentence, monkey jumped off the tree. The off, this is the preposition. Okay. Next sentence is the road runs over hill and plain. Where the road runs over hill and plain. Next sentence, the book is on the table. This on shows the position of book. The book is on the table. Okay. Now we have to learn examples of second row, And in this row we have words or prepositions like from, to, before, after and with. Here are the examples of we are going to start classes from 1st of July. शक्यतो असंच होईल, 1st of July पासून आपण क्लासेस स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. ॲक्च्युअल इन द क्लासरूम. So from is a preposition in this sentence. Students are coming to school. So to is a preposition. Language learning process begins before the birth. So before, this is the preposition. They will come after 5 p.m. After is a preposition. Next sentence. Our parents are always with us. So with is a preposition. Okay, we have seen these examples. Okay, next row is around, behind, for, by, into. We have to see the examples of these prepositions, and examples are here. Students gathered around teacher. So the preposition is around. Next sentence is there is swimming pool behind my house. So behind shows place. Behind is preposition. Next sentence, you should work hard for your future. For is a preposition. Okay. Next sentence is she comes to school by bus. Two prepositions are there in this sentence. First is to and second is by. We have seen the example of to before. That's why by. By माध्यम आहे की कशाने स्कूलला येते, बाय बस येते. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स an idea is entering into my mind. इथं into is a preposition. So these are examples of some prepositions. Next row of preposition is through, across, along, beside and besides. We have to see the examples of these prepositions, and examples are here. We have to go through the bad condition of corona. Here is the preposition through. Next sentence is there was a bridge across the river, and the preposition is across. Next sentence is we walked along the seashore. Here along is a preposition. My mom sits beside me during dinner. Okay, so beside, besideचा अर्थ होतो च्या बाजूला. या वाक्याचा अर्थ आहे की माझी मॉम माझ्या बाजूला बसते ड्युरिंग द डिनर. कदाचित तुमच्यावर ही वेळ असेल कारण खाऊ घालावं लागत असेल तर. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज सी हॅड 2 पेन्स बिसाइड्स 3 पेन्सिल्स. हेयर इज अ स्लाइट डिफरन्स बिटवीन स्पेलिंग ऑफ बिसाइड अँड बिसाइड्स, बट देर इज अ बिग डिफरन्स बिटवीन मीनिंग. बिसाइडचा अर्थ होतो च्या बाजूला आणि बिसाइड्स म्हणजे शिवाय. ओके. सो सी हॅड 2 पेन्स बिसाइड्स 3 पेन्सिल्स, म्हणजे 3 पेन्सिल्स शिवाय तिच्याकडे 2 पेन पण होते. सो बिसाइड्स इज अ प्रिपोजिशन हेयर. ओके. वी हॅव लर्न these examples of prepositions. Now we have to learn group of words which are prepositions. This group of words are in front of, out of, according to, away from, for the sake of, in order to, in place of, etc. Okay. So examples are playground is in front of our school. You can say our playground is in front of our school. So this is the group of preposition. This is one preposition, but there are 3 words, and the group of 3 words is a preposition. This preposition shows us the place. Where is this ground? Ground is in front of school. In front of चा अर्थ होतो च्या समोर. School च्या समोर playground आहे. Okay, next sentence. Now he is out of danger. असं डॉक्टर म्हटल्यानंतर बरं वाटतं आपल्याला. सो हेअर आउट ऑफ इज अ प्रिपोजिशन. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस इज क्वाइट राईट. According to me. So according to, this is the preposition. It comes in the at the first of the sentence or first part of the sentence, or this sentence begins with preposition and the preposition is according to me this is quite right. Next sentence, stay away from bad habits. This is my suggestion to you. Stay away, away from, this is the preposition. Next sentence is do something for the sake of nation. For the sake of, this is the group of preposition. Next sentence is teacher went to principal's office in order to meet him. In this sentence, in order to हा ग्रुप आहे जो प्रिपोजिशन आहे. अँड द लास्ट सेंटेन्स, प्रोनाउन इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन टू अवॉइड द रिपिटेशन ऑफ नाउन. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रोनाउन, बट I have taken here as a sentence. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So in place of, this is the group and it works as a preposition in the sentence. आता एवढे preposition पाहिले आपण, पण preposition संपलेले नाहीत. There are so many prepositions in English. I have taken only 27 examples here. तर असं समजायचं काय कारण नाही की 27च फक्त prepositions असतात. These are some examples of words and these are some examples of group of words. All are prepositions. Okay, thank you.